Can everybody see that all right?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Right, so this is the GitHub website. So the very, very first thing, which I'm not going to show you, is to just make an account on the GitHub. And you will have a profile like so. And then through one of our links, we have a link tree, and I think it's all over our social media. You should be able to find your way to this repository. So a repository is basically just a bunch of data all gathered in one place. So this is the OpenTenancy law. This is where we're taking contributions at the moment. So here there's a set of instructions on how to, firstly on what we're looking for, and also how to actually submit. Now the first step is you're going to want to fork it. Right, so I've already prepared this, I've already forked it. But all you do is you fork it to your own profile, like so. So all this does is it just sets up a connection and like a local copy for you to work on, so that you're not constantly pushing to the master copy, and so that we can actually check it. Right, so now you have a forked repository. The next thing you're going to want to do, either you can download it to a zip file and then upload it, or you can, to be honest, just change it straight away here. I'm just going to add a test file just to quickly demonstrate what I mean. So I'm going to call it test tree. And I'm just going to write something inside the file. Now, once you've written what you want, what you're going to want to do is to commit this. Now, once that's committed, you are going to have to go to pull requests and create a new pull request. Essentially, what this does is it just merges what you've done on the local copy, and it sends it across to ours so that we can have a look and make sure that everything is okay and that everything is working. So, right, so yeah, usually it should be green, able to merge, and you just create a pull request. It would be good if you just wrote what you actually did in it, just so it makes it a bit easier for us to check it. So I'll just write something like created a test file in the comments. And then I click create pull request. Cool. Now, this is the original repository, so this isn't the local copy that I just forked. I can see that I have received the pull request that you made. And we can see everything that's changed, essentially.
Yeah, and just to flag, you won't have the option to merge the pull requests. That's just Anna and I currently who have that. So then that's how we approve it and make sure that, we don't have people just coming along and, not giving the correct advice. So we have a quick scan of it before we then take the interview you've done and code it up ourselves, or we have friends who've agreed to help code. And if any of you have ever worked with DocAssemble, please do message us on the side if you want to help out there. But yeah, and the other thing, Anna, if you just go back to the main page.
Yep.
Of the law one.
Okay, yeah. Here we go.
And so the other cool thing, as well as putting it on your CV, you can see on the side there, you will be listed as a contributor. So anyone can kind of hop on, and eventually we're going to have like a wall of all the contributors on the website. So that's a really exciting opportunity as well to just kind of, prove that you've done something and actually contributed to an open source project.
Yeah, definitely. And I realized this was a bit fast, but if you have any, if you would have any questions on how a specific step is done, or you've forgotten how to do something, then just feel free to send us an email and we will walk you through it. We can hop on a call and also walk you through it. So that is just absolutely fine. Don't be scared of submitting. It's we're here to help out as well.
Yeah, and thing to say as well, if you've listened to this and you still just don't get it or don't want to do it, you're more than welcome to email it to us and we'll upload it for you. But like we flagged, biggest benefit there is that you're shown as a contributor, and also it just helps us in terms of version control. So yeah, that's definitely an option as well. So don't feel put off from contributing because you're scared of GitHub.